मुझे ना किसी भी चीज का ढक्कन अगर मैं खोलती हूँ तो मुझे बंद करना पसंद नहीं है।
क्या?
What?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
I can put the pankha on also if I get stuck.
आप पंखा साफ भी कर सकती हैं फटाक
साफ
से
कर
एक ही बारी में।
डायना के लंबे हाथों का इस्तेमाल।
I'm also learning, huh?
ओह समझा आपको से। Yeah, okay, let's
Yeah, I
try.
feel
Sorry.
like the break
Yeah.
ice.
You
the-
finish and then we'll try with Tamanna this
Sure.
back.
I don't need to finish. If
Please
you
say,
don't
say,
want
say,
to. No, it's
give
okay. You
back.
don't want me to talk on it. It's fine.
No, I'm
I'll
asking
just
you every
look at
question.
it. Bye.
मैं चोरी कर दी थी आपका खाना मुझे पता चला
मैं
है।
ये कॉफी चोरी करती थी।
A few moments later.
This is mine, no? क्या मन में लाच माचे?
फिर मैं मचा के बाद कॉफी करना।
सर आपकी गाड़ी ऑन डिमांड परफॉर्मेंस के लिए रेडी है।
I'm gonna get my dual zone climate control up ताकि ये जो आपको मस्त एरी शॉट मिल रहा है।
I know I'm feeling like I'm shooting a song. There's a blow
Yeah.
on me.
Welcome to the Bombay Journey, presented by the undisputed ultimate Hyundai Creta and performance partner Castrol Edge. But hi girls, welcome to the Bombay Journey.
thank you.
क्या हाल है आपके?
Hi.
Look,
What's
I'm going to
happening?
navigate out of the paps and the fans that you all have gathered over here.
Are you our chauffeur for today?
No, I'm the most expensive driver Bollywood has got apparently. I come with a bunch of cameras and a crew and two sponsors.
And
Love
you take us to fancy places for coffee.
We get to like हम लोग बड़ा पाव भी खाते हैं भाई हम लोग ऐसा एकदम सस्ता उत्तम टिकाऊ भी है आपके लिए ले चलेंगे फैंसी जगह आपने सीट बेल्ट डाल ली दोनों ने दोनों लोग सीट बेल्ट पहन लो
दोनों?
हाँ जी
पीछे
हाँ
क्यों
जी
लोगी?
जी
क्यों?
हम बड़ा सेफ होके चलते हैं देखिए
Okay. We must.
But your
Yeah.
car doesn't have a seat
it
belt at
has
the
it
back.
has it's right
Of
there
course.
see over here
How can you not have a seatbelt in
it's
the
on
car?
the it's on the shoulder
Oh, it's on this side.
yeah మనం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే ఎట్లుంటుంది తమన్నా
బాగుంటది
కాకపోతే పాపం
పాపంకి ఏం అర్థం కాదు ఆమె
హాయ్
గురించి మాట్లాడాలంటే తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలి
అదే కదా
I've left this conversation. I checked out a long time ago. Where's my cafe mocha?
what were you saying I'm Gen Z with my order
Yeah,
because
I
you
mean,
ordered
a matcha.
matcha
yeah that's like Sanya Malhotra effect plus you're looking all green so
green so it gave you inspiration
it's giving me matcha
it gives you matcha for sure
देखो भाई पोस्टर की बात हो गई है तो मेरे को जावेद जाफरी साहब दिख रहे थे साइड में तमन्ना
yeah he's so good in the show
He's
yeah
नो बट बुगी वुगी की तमन्ना आपने जताई उनको कि आपकी थी एक टाइम पे
हाँ I told you I'm a boogie woogie reject
यस
so I've been through that phase of auditioning for boogie woogie and never made it but I still feel like those were like iconic times yeah like I feel like the kind of shows they were doing the kind of presence that they had on TV I don't think that entire generation was a lot more memorable than what we have today like it's really hard to create an imagery that's memorable today
सही बोली आप
you can get relevant very quickly but it's really hard to create something that's memorable
that's so true and Diana am I saying that right now
Say it again.
Diana
Wow.
wow
Wow.
you got that
no
Second attempt.
second attempt
You're
always
doing well,
no
I
I'm just
must
kidding with you
say.
yeah मैं आपके साथ मेल फेमिनिस्ट पे भी ये कर चुका हूँ बट जितने 90s किड्स बुगी वुगी को याद रखते हैं वो कमेंट्स में बताएं आप ये बताओ have you said no to films
Have I said no
which
to
are
films
very
in
big that we
general
should
in
know
life?
about? Yeah.
Yeah, because I might not have related to the story or the character, or it might not have been a great fit. So that's normal, na?
करेक्ट बट तमन्ना
It's
आपके बारे
time for
में
my
ये वाली बात
shades.
नहीं पता थी मेरे को कि आपके मम्मी पापा काफी टाइम तक आते थे सेट पे
yeah almost like 9 years of my career my mom and dad both and
No,
mom
no.
of course
So sweet.
they're like alternatively whoever was available but largely mom was there but like dad also used to come many times
वाह यार
even my brother came
और
so I
करते
think
क्या होते हैं ये लोग
I think they would get really bored. Mom would read a lot at
Ah.
that point because mom loved read. I mean, doesn't read as much today, but I think back in the day she used to read a lot. So
Wow, yeah.
she used to read, yeah.
I was getting so excited thinking we're going to town and you're taking a U-turn.
I told your teams are like no you can't take them to go like
Why like
Because of
that?
the, I think उनको जाने का issue नहीं, उनके वापस आने का problem है because और interviews है ना तो वो कहाँ
हाँ जी
करेंगे?
बट कोस्टल रोड एक नंबर बन गया आप लोग
Arey,
गए हो?
best,
I
yeah.
think
It's
it's
cut
enough.
my life down by half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's made travel so much easier.
है ना मतलब बारिश में वो रोड ओ हो
Beauty.
ब्यूटी हम लोग आपको कॉफी शॉप लेके जाएंगे, इज्जत से
Yes.
बैंड्रा बैंड्रा में घूमेंगे।
Yes.
और यही है परिणाम इस बात का कि आपके पास समय नहीं है। तमन्ना बिना समय लिए ही हमारे पास आती हैं।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये प्रोडक्शन वाले लोग आपको सब बोलते रहते हैं।
नहीं,
हमारे पास
नहीं।
पूरा टाइम है, हम तो बेचारे, हम तो उनके सहारे हैं, वो जहाँ बोलते हैं हम वहाँ चले जाते हैं।
Shit.
तो
तमन्ना never has समय, yeah?
I have
Never has समय.
Never है समय।
the thing is
No समय तमन्ना.
no some wow
ऐसे ही करने का, हिंदी इंग्लिश को मिक्स करने का। हम बीच में तेलुगु इंग्लिश भी कर लेंगे।
और हम लोग तंग्लिश भी कर लेंगे अंदर।
Is that Telgites? మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ఎవరెవరు వాళ్ళు
చూస్తూ ఉంటారు, ఖచ్చితంగా
చూస్తుంటారు
చూస్తూ
కదా?
ఉంటారు.
Subscribe చేసుకోండి.
మీరు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా
Should I just
చూస్తుంటారు.
go to the next car and hang out with your peeps there? Because
We'll teach you some Telugu, no?
say
బాగున్నారా?
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 That's perfect.
What does that mean?
इतना ही बोल दो आप खुश हो
How are
जाएंगे।
you? Like, it's like, how are you? Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నారా? That's it,
బాగున్నారా?
perfect. See, that much Telugu you give to a Telgite, they'll be like,
They're like, wow, she knows Telugu.
Yeah. But ये बताओ, Happy Days 2 कर रही हो क्या?
अगर बनेगी तो क्यों नहीं?
बनाओ ना यार,
Actually,
please.
it's a good idea.
है
I
ना?
should tell Shekhar sir that अगर कोई फिल्म बनानी है तो फिर Happy Days 2 बनाओ। बहुत लोग मतलब also it should be about people like post 30s, like what is their life.
Exactly, what happened to this lot?
Yeah, this lot, even if it's not the same lot, I feel like just people like, you know, say they went to college together, but and then what happens to them once they're adults?
Yeah.
Like their dreams and their idea of relationships, their idea of friendships, have they evolved, have they changed, who's had kids, you know, the whole shebang.
हमारा एक स्पेशल सेगमेंट है, देखिए, द अल्टीमेट चैलेंज प्रेजेंटेड बाय द हांडे क्रेटा, जिसमें हम अल्टीमेट क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे आपसे। तो ये बताओ कि अल्टीमेट बैंटर क्या रहा है आप दोनों के बीच में। टेल मी अबाउट 2-3 काइंड्स ऑफ बैंटर्स दैट यू मस्ट हैव हैड।
One is definitely food. Food has
Food?
always been.
Yeah.
ये
that
चोरी
one
करती थी आपका खाना,
thing-
मुझे पता चला
नहीं,
है।
ये कॉफी
Coffee.
चोरी करती थी.
आप उठा लेती हो?
I'll be like,
No,
what are
she'll
you
be like,
drinking?
can I try some? And then like
And then I'll
slowly,
drink up.
slowly, the coffee will just
तो
disappear.
आप खत्म कर देती हो। मैं सेम है।
We're like,
Then what else did we talk about, Tammy?
एक ऐसी थी कि हमने एक दूसरे के साथ कभी भी बहुत ही ज्यादा स्मॉल टॉक नहीं किया. I think
Yeah.
that's how we also became. I think that's also the reason when people, whatever little bit people are watching, people like, you know, you guys really look like friends.
Yeah.
But I think that came because हम दोनों हम एक दूसरे के साथ बिल्कुल भी फेक नहीं थे. हमने जब भी बात की, हमने या तो कुछ you know important बात किया या something that which mattered to us, and almost like confided in each other, which normally friends end up doing. So we would more than just like ऐसे ही मतलब for the sake of बात करना है कुछ भी, how is the weather, वो वाला conversation
हाँ,
हमारे बीच में कभी
बहुत
नहीं हुआ.
गर्मी हो रहा है।
हाँ,
अरे,
आजकल it's so
traffic
hot.
बहुत था
Yeah, the
यार,
traffic. That's
so
like
much.
basic conversation which
Yeah.
I think you have मजबूरी में.
हाँ, सही बात
Yeah,
है।
तो वो नहीं हुआ हमारे बीच.
बट आइस ब्रेकिंग का अल्टीमेट हैक क्या है आप लोगों का?
I think what I normally try to do is I try to you know tell people something about myself that would seem rather personal, and I feel like then people feel very comfortable to come up and say things about their lives. I feel like that really helps breaking the ice.
Yeah, okay, let's
Yeah, I
try.
feel
Sorry.
like the break
Yeah.
ice.
You
the-
finish and then we'll try with Tamanna this
Sure.
hack.
I don't need to finish. If you
Please
don't
say-
want me.
say-
No,
say,
it's okay.
give
You
back.
don't want me to talk on it. It's fine.
No, I'm
I'll
asking
just
you
look
every
out of the
question
window. Bye.
alternatively.
Don't jump out of the car, please.
No,
Yeah,
I'll
it's
just look out of
locked.
the window to his people.
Please
over
say.
there.
Ultimate hack to like.
Ultimate ice breaking hack. I've always found food to be the discussions on food too, and somehow I attract
पहली
people.
बात.
No, but I attract people that enjoy food somehow or the other. And you know, usually when you go to a meeting or you go to somebody's house, they'll always ask you, "Now, would you like something?"
Yeah.
And then they'll offer you something. I'm not that shy person and polite that's not going to take it. I'm going to take it.
What is the thing that you would say?
मुझे ना किसी भी चीज का ढक्कन अगर मैं खोलती तो मुझे बंद करना पसंद नहीं है.
क्या?
What?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah. Do you have anything like that? Do you have a habit that you have that nobody else really understands why you have it, but you just have it?
मुझे खाना बनाते समय and now everybody has to join in, okay? It can't be a one way thing. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
खाना का करते हैं ताकि you also
No,
don't
but
feel
I
like I'm
had
only
something
not
that was
asking.
not khana also.
Okay, say.
I have this thing for things being straight. So sometimes
yeah,
I just
yeah.
adjust people's paintings and all in their
Very
homes.
nice.
What? Just walk into somebody's office.
Hard relate.
It's crooked and it's really bothering me. So just
ना जो बात है, मैं खाना मेजरमेंट के साथ नहीं बनाता, मैं अपने हिसाब से डालता हूँ.
Correct.
मस्त.
स्वाद
है ना?
अनुसार.
स्वाद अनुसार सब कुछ. ए बट अल्टीमेट रोड ट्रिप क्या रही है आपकी recently since the last time we met?
Nothing.
I've
I'm always on a plane.
Yeah, same.
I am
No.
efficiency over everything.
Actually, no, I went to, I mean, if you count Lonavala.
yeah,
I don't
but it is.
Yeah.
Lonavala is a legit.
लोनावला is a fun road trip यार.
Fun-
मुंबई में
fun
बारिश
road
गिरती
trip.
कहाँ जाने का?
Best.
And you have to stop. I mean, we always stop at Datta Vada Pav.
Which
That's
is
awesome.
It's too good.
It's so good.
क्या क्या खाते हो?
Datta Vada, the Vada
Datta
Pav.
Vada Pav?
हाँ. First,
Sridhar,
it used to
यार.
be one dhaba on the highway.
Correct.
And then I think it moved into this food court.
I know what you
I
mean.
forget
It's
the
so good.
name of that dhaba, which was very good. It was called something very.
सरदार जी वाला?
Sardar.
हाँ,
correct.
सरदार the dhaba?
Sardar the dhaba. Oh god.
That was also Vada Pav.
No,
they
full
proper
dhaba.
like
Oh,
dhaba
like-
khana.
Butter chicken, butter naan.
Like
And they used to like
Paratha type.
fry
Not
these
Delhi wale
jalebis.
parathe.
No?
Sorry.
जलेबीज.
Yeah.
हाँ. आप लोग प्लीज हमको कमेंट्स में बता दीजिएगा कि हम लोग एक तो दत्ता वड़ा पाव एंड श्रीदास सेम है ना और दूसरा सरदार
Sardar.
Sardar.
जी का नाम
I don't know why I thought it was Sardar Vada Pav only.
सरदार पाव भाजी है.
Pav Bhaji,
Town में,
correct.
हाँ.
Yeah, where is that? In town.
तारदेव.
Yes,
Hmm.
town. Tardeo.
ये देखो. This helps navigate tricky situations in Bandra streets. But आपकी रोड ट्रिप्स को और कंफर्टेबल बनाने के लिए you can always opt for the Hyundai Creta क्योंकि इसका स्टाइल और कंफर्ट सुपर्ब है.
By the way, there's a big, huge hoarding coming up at Mehboob. We should take a
Yeah,
picture.
yeah, let's do that.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah,
It's a
why
good
not?
idea.
Why not?
That's a great idea.
We'll get down and take a selfie if you want. यार.
Yes,
Come on.
let's do
What
it.
is there? What is there?
डायना के लंबे हाथों का इस्तेमाल.
Whoa. नहीं but
देखो लंबे दोस्त होने के फायदे. Actually,
के फायदा, I
this
know.
is a great like
Make use of
conversation. What is the फायदा of having a lambu friend?
ऊपर से
Selfies.
चीजें निकालने
हाँ,
की.
the ऊपर का selfies. You know, everyone takes those top angle ones.
Yeah.
My hands go
You're a
quite
pro
far.
at that?
Yeah.
No, but ऊपर से
Somebody
बर्नी
told
वर्नी
me there's
निकालनी है
one
तो
hoarding here. I don't know where.
it's on the bus stop.
अच्छा.
But वो भी तो होता है. ऊपर से बर्नी वर्नी निकालनी है. अचार वचार
हाँ,
रखा हुआ है.
Yeah. Yeah.
बाटली उटली रखी हुई है तो
I
निकालने
can
के लिए.
unlock the doors also.
Perfect.
I can put the pankha on also if I get stuck.
आप पंखा साफ भी कर सकती है फटाक
साफ
से
भी कर
एक ही बारी में.
Wow.
Shit, हम क्या बातें कर रहे हैं.
नहीं
But
बहुत जरूरी है यार. It's a life things. मतलब पंखा साफ करना है.
Life
जब-
hacks.
Yeah, they're important.
आइए हमारे दूसरे सेगमेंट में स्टेप इन करते हैं जिसका नाम है स्टे हेड थैंक्स टू परफॉर्मेंस पार्टनर कैस्ट्रल एज. ये थोड़ा रैपिड फायर है तो थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी बताइएगा. व्हाट इज द हैक टू स्टे हेड एज अ
What is
परफॉर्मेंस?
a hack to stay ahead? I think for me it would be to keep challenging yourself as a performer and making sure that you show the audience and other filmmakers that you can do more than just the stereotypical roles. In
बट
my
आपका
opinion.
स्टीरियोटाइप क्या आता था?
Initially, it was all Meera.
Meera, Meera.
The good, quiet, shy girl next door. The girl you can take home to mummy. You know that. That always, yeah, that was for the longest time after Cocktail, I only got offered those kind of roles. And I was like, मुझे कुछ और करना है. So,
गुड या.
Yeah.
आप बताओ.
What like to what is
How
it that
how to stay ahead as an actor now?
being perceived even because people's way of perception is rarely through the obvious or what's in people's face. I think what people connect with is how are you appearing energetically.
Okay, 3 tips to maintain your car. Do you all have any hacks?
Use your car.
Use your car. Yes, that's a good one.
That's a
good
damn good one.
During COVID, we learned that you can keep it
you
just
have
lying
to
over
use
there.
your car.
Yeah,
Make sure someone cleans it in the morning and the evening, if you can.
fair,
If that's not too much to ask.
fair.
And regular checkups जैसे आप अपने body का कराते हो अपने गाड़ी का भी कराओ.
जाओ और करवाओ.
Wow.
Do you have any? Please बताओ हमें.
The same, yeah.
Same?
What do you have?
यार सीट बेल्ट हमेशा पहनो. हम लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं बहुत बेसिक सी चीज को.
Absolutely करना
एंड
चाहिए.
बिकॉज वी प्रोमोटिंग पार्टनर्स बियर पीते हो पसंद है तो ठीक है लेकिन डोंट ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव
I
यार.
completely
Definitely
agree.
don't drink and
I
drive.
Yeah,
don't
please.
drink and
Definitely
drive.
don't.
जस्ट डू नॉट. बट प्लेलिस्ट कौन कंट्रोल करता है अगर आप दोनों चलो एज दोस्त निकली हुई हो?
Diana.
हाँ क्या?
मुझे तो मतलब म्यूजिक का मतलब मन नहीं आता.
नहीं
क्यों ऐसा
यार,
बोल रहे हो?
I also like I feel it's a very tough job to be the playlist person.
Especially on road trips.
Yeah, then there's
Can get a
pressure, you know,
fighting.
because everyone's
Yeah.
expecting that the next song better be good, huh? Better be good. And then if you play a good song, then the next song has to be even better than that.
Yeah.
And this keeps going for hours, and then there's too much pressure.
But
So-
she's more dependable. मेरा तो मतलब there's no chance. I'll do such a bad job at it that people will just take the phone from me.
No,
I don't even
इतनी बुरी
attempt
कैसे हो
it.
सकती? नहीं यार ऐसे मत बोलो.
I would start my playlist with Aaj Ki Raat. You know how many times I heard that song? Like we used to listen to it in the car also. We used to like play it intentionally, look for it, search for it on YouTube, whatever, and then play it.
We will stop ahead and play it quickly
Yeah.
and dance a little, okay?
It's
Tam,
so funny to do
please.
that in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
In broad daylight.
Broad daylight.
We're singing आज की रात in the day.
In day,
आप देखिए,
yeah.
आप दोनों
With coffee,
एक्ट्रेसेस हैं,
with coffee.
आप लोग रास्ते पे कर चुके हो ये सब.
हाँ,
नहीं?
but वो तो हम फॉरेन कंट्रीज में गए थे ना, मुंबई के रास्तों पे तो हम शुरू नहीं हो जाते,
क्या लेकिन
जहाँ पर हमको कोई जानता नहीं है.
बट आई एम श्योर वहां पर भी कोई पहचाना रहेगा ना, आप लोग ऐसा बाहर गांव
हाँ.
शूट कर रहे हो और कोई पहचाना
lot of sometimes like when you shoot in London and stuff like that, people
Yeah.
know.
या
Yeah, so a lot of Indians end up coming there. But if you're in Europe somewhere like far, like interior Europe, तो फिर
Yeah,
किसी
then it's
then they find it very very hilarious.
बट इमरजेंसी आइटम क्या रखती हो आप लोग गाड़ियों में दोनों?
मैं
हाँ
मेरे गाड़ी में हमेशा
मेरे
पानी रहता है.
हाँ,
वाह
There is always tissues
वाह
yeah,
and safety pins.
yeah.
बहुत
I-
सुंदर.
Yeah, these three things are always there.
Okay, quick last question. Fondest SRK memory. Do you all have any?
When I met him for the first time.
क्या बोलिए आप?
He just seemed to he makes you feel like you're the most important person in the room, and that's something I love about him because he's just such a beautiful human being. And I remember that he came to drop me to the car and open the door and put me in, and it was just really sweet.
That's so nice.
Yeah, and he didn't have to do that, and I was just like, wow, this
What a guy.
person is. Yeah.
What a guy. आपका?
I done an ad with him and
Ah.
he took photographs with 200 unit members. Not exaggerating.
Everybody?
He took
Individually?
photos with everyone. Well, I'm
Wow.
sure थोड़े groups में लिए होंगे, but still like I feel like just having photographs done with so many people because the whole unit was waiting कि कब pack up होगा और हम photos लेंगे and they didn't know if he'll give pictures or not, but he actually took photos with the entire unit, which is
Wow.
pretty sweet.
बट देखिए हमारे लिए दिमाग में जब भी स्टे हेड और शाहरुख साहब की बात हुई तो मतलब इट इज कैस्ट्रोलेस दैट कम्स टू माय माइंड. मुंबई के ट्रैफिक में फंसी हुई कहानियां बताओ चलो आप लोग दोनों. क्या क्या की हो?
I just don't like to be stuck in a car when I really want to pee. Like
Yeah.
that's my nightmare.
It is a
Yeah.
nightmare.
And I feel like that's a big problem. Like I wish we had like restrooms everywhere where we could just go.
बढ़िया
Like, किसी घर को
बढ़िया दलील आपने रखी है.
नहीं but किसी के घर पे वरना like I have had that thing कि I have just gone into someone's house because I'm
क्या
like
बात
guys I really need to use the loo.
आपने देखा है इनका कोई तेलुगु तमिल काम?
I think बाहुबली देखी होगी शायद.
बाहुबली तो
Yes,
देखी होगी.
yes,
Congratulations on
yes.
10 years of
Thank
that.
you.
I know.
Thank you so much.
मुबारक हो जी.
Thank you. 10 years and it's re-releasing.
It's re-releasing.
That is
Whoa.
fun. That I think I'm very excited about that because I never had imagined that this will have this kind of an impact. And what they're doing with the re-release is very interesting. They're bringing both the parts together.
So like it's
how
going to be
long
one
would that
film.
be?
I mean, I don't know what the duration. I'm sure the duration is a watchable duration.
नहीं,
And
दो
not-
इंटरवल होंगे ना फिर.
No, they might not keep that length. I'm assuming it's a re-edit basically, is what I understand. But I don't know even I have no information on how it's done and what's going on there.
बढ़िया प्लग कर दें यार आप मतलब चलती में.
Yeah, I mean, I think right now it's just interesting that there is so much going on. Like for us, when we started working on Do You Want a Partner, it's been a year, huh? And
year,
बट ये तो
yeah.
सीरीज है ना.
ये सीरीज है, but the
तो
thing
इतना
is,
टाइम लगता है नहीं सीरीज.
सीरीज
no.
क्या होता है बनने के बाद जो प्रोसेसेस के अंदर जाता है I think that takes a bit and also I think I'm assuming Prime Video as a platform also has so many releases
releasing,
and they already I'm sure they're always running on a backlog where they really have so many already that are in line to be released.
Yeah.
But what I was trying to say is that we made this show a year ago and it's interesting that even after a year this subject is untouched.
क्या
you
women
know,
entrepreneurship?
Yeah, I think
women two women
friendships within the framework of entrepreneurship.
Also, Tammy women in
Also.
women entrepreneurs.
I think there's a lot of heist situations that have come up in the long form, but nobody's tried to do the actual actually लोग सच्ची में business setup कर रहे हैं और ये
Yeah.
सच्ची में इसको profitable बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. It's not some
से.
kind of a scammy situation which normally we've seen a lot of heists right now with like women in it and everything. But I haven't seen something which is an actual so it's almost like edutainment. Like people will they will love the characters and
Yeah.
they'll go on their journey, but they'll also kind of understand what the world entails a little bit, like mota. Like I remember when I was young and I was growing up, I was watching this show called Ally McBeal, and I was very intrigued by the whole law world because I thought I'll become a lawyer at that point.
Really?
Yeah, एक होता है हर उम्र में आपको कुछ ना कुछ बनना होता है.
नहीं चेंज.
Yeah, so that time I was going through a lawyer phase. So I thought I think I don't know why I thought that I would be in a law firm like the West, but
Yeah. You
But
would
anyway.
be in a तारीख पे तारीख kind of law.
yeah, the real that would be very different. but yeah, how I remember as a child, like that impacted me in sort of understanding a world to some degree, but also just like knowing new characters. So I think this is
Must
has a
hai.
very sitcom energy to it actually.
All the best
Thank you.
to the both of you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
But आप क्या क्या बनना चाहती थी, आप बताओ.
What did I means? I don't know. I wanted to be, before I got into acting, I wanted to be a marketing person.
Really?
And I thought that I was going to get this, I was going to be this marketing consultant for some big international fashion house.
Oof.
I don't know. I had
Ooh.
this,
You
just
could have been, yeah.
Could have been,
this
yeah.
dream.
Yeah.
But I'm sure even if she would have entered it like that, also people would have got her in front of the camera. She's so stunning. How can she not be in front of the camera
Oof.
in any part of the world?
She's too sweet, yeah.
ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन बात बोली जिसको.
She's very high. She's like a global beauty. I don't think she comes. I wouldn't call her an Indian beauty only. I think she's. If I would take her anywhere into the world, they'd be like, "Oof, what a stunning woman."
यार आप लोग ये दोनों कर लो क्योंकि मेरे को तो आपको आपके बारे में बताना है. Like you are also doing a Japanese cosmetic brand.
Yeah.
And like दोनों global
I'm the
beauty
brand
आप
ambassador
हैं.
for-
आप गार्नियर कर रही हैं और दूसरा कर रही हैं. वाह 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 वाह. मतलब सुंदर है यार.
Literally.
It's women on top.
Literally, yeah.
Always.
Yep.
But I really like the format of your show, यार.
है ना?
मुझे बहुत
Fun.
मस्त है ना?
You know, I've never been on it before. Thanks
Yes,
for having
we
me.
spoke about it when we were doing the male feminist. आओ नाचो.
I'm also learning, huh?
ओह समझा आंखों से.
Oh.
ये मैंने
बस-
कभी नहीं किया.
बस हाँ ये
ये
हमने
पहली
नहीं
बार किया.
ये हमने-
मैंने ये स्टेज पे बहुत बार किया है. मैंने लोगों की पार्टियों में बहुत बार किया है. But
आपने
this is
इतना
the first
मिनिमल
time.
एफर्ट मारा लेकिन
Yeah, I have found ways of doing this minimally.
थोड़ा थिरक देती तो मतलब पब्लिक को मजा आ
Only
जाता.
only मैं कलाई मूव हो रही है बस.
हम कॉफी लेके आते हैं.
Actually, I wanted a dry cappuccino. You think you could make that for me? But in almond milk? Yeah, so just the foam of almond milk.
What's a dry cappuccino?
That's what I always have. Yeah, just the foam and two.
Oh.
Yeah. And I get it with a little bit stevia? No, just actually cinnamon if you have some. Yeah, cinnamon would be great.
I thought it was fancy to know cortados and stuff. And now
So
she's
it's a cortado is
similar, no?
similar, but I think a dry cappuccino is slightly less heavier than a cortado. So it's really light. This is froth.
Is that your matcha?
This is mine, no?
Yeah.
Jaggery almond milk latte.
I'm gonna taste some from you. Are you a jhoota person?
No.
Do you have a jhoota
No,
problem?
no, I'm लौंडा बिल्कुल. तमन्ना आपको आके पोज करना पड़ेगा thumbnail के लिए. Do you know the girly pose, Tamanna? Apurva Makija taught me this. No, it's wider.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Bye. See you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. This was fun. Thank you.
ये हम लोग कुछ
Don't
ऐसा करते हैं
finish
जो
your
आप बाकी.
drink. I have to taste your drink.
मैं यहाँ रख दूंगा.
Can I'm tasting
फिर आप
yours
ऐसा-
first because
हाँ.
फिर मैं matcha के बाद coffee I don't know how I'll taste. You know, it's really good.
Exactly. Thanks.
Damn. I think matcha is not overrated. I'm surprised. I
यार
think
थोड़ी सी जैगरी
Why
के
he
साथ
didn't
हल्का
give
सा
the
टेस्ट आ जाता है.
tiramisu?
I like your order
Your
so much.
No, that's not a tiramisu. It's keto cake. He told
It's
me.
keto cake.
Yeah.
Do you want some?
No, thanks.
I ordered for you all only.
Oh.
Rag de. I'll try some.
Except now I can't
He's
keep
made
it
a
there.
very good dry cappuccino because it's very possible to mess up this order.
Please
Is this
explain to
almond
me
milk?
what a dry cappuccino is. I still don't
It is
understand.
basically 2 shots of coffee
Huh.
and just almond milk का foam and
So
उसके
not
ऊपर
the
cinnamon.
actual milk is what you're saying.
हाँ, actual मतलब actually almond milk है, but
Yes, like, this
it's not
window
dairy
doesn't come down.
basically.
I can also try.
Yeah, go for it.
Thanks.
Thank
I think this is your drink is way tastier than mine. तुमको मेरी drink कड़वी लग सकती है थोड़ी सी.
मेरे को चलता है कड़वा.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Can I-
Yeah, you can. We'll
Please,
beep it.
Come on,
Yeah.
please
yo,
don't.
Chalo.
Oh, you have more chamche. Okay, here, taste.
Listen, tiramisu. Oh my God.
How do you say lean and like?
नहीं खा
Great
रही थी
looking
ना.
after.
बहुत
नहीं खा रही
टाइम
थी
में
आप.
बहुत टाइम से नहीं खाया है. मेरे खाना नहीं खाया.
Okay, come on, guys, dig in. Anyone want?
Go for it.
Yeah.
इसके बाद आप वो कड़वा कैसे पियोगे आप वो सोचो.
वो कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा है ना बिकॉज ये मीठा है ये कड़वा है.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. George, thank you so much
It's
for this
perfection.
recommendation.
Yeah.
तुम
It was
भगवान
so
हो भाई.
good.
तुम भगवान हो.
Thank you, Trevor. मुझे आपने भगवान जी के पास का औदा दिया. ये बहुत बढ़िया.
Trevor, this
So good.
Yeah, dude.
tiramisu is bomb.
Can I go for more?
Mm.
Okay. ये खाते खाते सवाल जवाब भी कर लेंगे, ठीक है?
But
Too
you
good.
know what? I was not a matcha person till I tasted this.
That's a big compliment.
Really.
Hmm.
तुम्हारा ड्रिंक अच्छा है. In fact, I'm going to take your drink का name.
Come on,
because
one more spoon
मैं
each.
बहुत ज़्यादा कॉफी पीती हूँ. मैं मतलब I have a problem. मैं सिर्फ कॉफी पीती हूँ. So I don't drink.
Yo,
So
Tammy, coffee in this form.
yeah. And the problem is मैं parties में भी आजकल कॉफी पीने लगी
Hi
हूँ.
Ram.
And people gave me the looks, and I'm treated very badly.
Yeah.
But I also need an alternative drink. Like कितना coffee, कितना chai. After a point, like there are times I've had like 6-7 in the day, which is terrible.
No thanks, not after that.
Not after dinner. Are you that person who wants to keep the taste of something?
Kaki.
You go ahead. This is yours now.
Finish. Have one.
No, no,
have
very
one more
good.
spoon.
Bus.
No?
Are you
It's
sure?
heavy for me.
This you want to try?
I'll have. Also, after I've not been eating like this kind of food so rich.
Yeah,
So
today
it shakes your
we
body?
properly
Yeah.
dabowed, huh?
Today I've eaten after many
Yeah.
days. Like even Dinah must have seen me. In fact, I had a party at home where Dinah was there, and I wasn't eating a non-party.
Yeah. I saw
Okay.
that.
Good folks at Boca have let us go with their plate.
Thanks, Boca.
Thanks to the practical spaces that we have in this car. Can we put it here?
Yeah. If this falls on me, I'd rather hold it.
Okay, lovely. This is perfect. You have your seatbelts on, girls?
I do.
But if it's with me, it is potentially going to be eaten. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You trust me with your food?
I am trusting. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
अभी आप एक पैसा पहले बोली कि ऐसा you are this person who hasn't eaten so much heavy so I was like ठीक है
अभी
नहीं
recently
खाएंगे।
नहीं खाया. पहले तो मतलब बहुत दबा के खाया.
आप दबा के खाने वाली हो क्या
Wait,
व्यक्ति?
Yeah. I can't do this. My problem is I can't do ये आधा अधूरा. या तो
हाँ.
मैं पूरी तरह से खाऊंगी, या मैं
सवाल।
सही वाला चीज खाऊंगी, या तो मैं नहीं खाऊंगी. Which is also fine. I'm okay with not eating actually.
सही बात है।
But I hate this beach का like this half diet, half that तो was a झूठ only.
मुंबई की कौन सी जगह है दोनों अपनी अपनी बताओ चलो फटाफट।
National College के बाजू में वो that sandwich वाला was there
Yes,
ना?
जय सैंडविच।
Jay sandwich.
ओफ।
Oh, the vada pav guy in Worli. What's his name? There's a famous
Ashok
vada
Vada
pav.
Pav.
Ashok Vada.
Worli,
That's the
no?
other ray.
There's one in Worli.
वर्ली?
Yeah, he's too good. And I don't know if it still exists, but Xavier's canteen used to be like great.
Xavier's canteen is good.
Yeah.
But I'm more
Still-
Wilson canteen. Samosa sambar sort of a person.
No,
Have you
I'm
ever
sorry,
had
but
samosa
Xavier's
sambar?
canteen was way
Samosa
cooler than the
sambar?
Wilson canteen.
Is that possible?
It's totally possible. Okay, I'm going to go back. What did you say? Idli chutney? No.
No, Xavier's canteen was known for Mysore masala dosa and the Chinese.
ठीक है मैं एक्सरसाइज वालों को पढ़ाने जाने वाला हूँ तो मैं तब खाऊंगा आपका
क्या?
ये वाला आप वुड्स में कभी डेटिंग सीन्स नहीं की
No.
नो यू नॉट दैट साइड काइंड
No.
दे हैव लाइक 4 trees
Used to hang out in the woods though.
you did
मुंबई में रहते रहते ये वुड्स है हमारे.
हाँ सही बात है
It's okay. हम adjust
sorry folks at Xavier's and XIC I didn't mean to
हम
be
adjust कर लेंगे.
mean
Yeah,
yeah
the folks at Xavier's and XIC is sitting behind you.
yeah I know which is why I'm telling you ना which is why I asked you about the woods and all और स्ट्रीट फूड वगैरह
Street food.
मतलब पानी पूरी शेव पूरी I know you
Lokan
love good शेव पूरी
वाला.
लोकन वाला किधर
Swati.
Swati snacks.
Swati's epic.
लेजेंड है यार वो लोग तो
I like the thal pit.
हाँ किधर का
Swati.
स्वाति
Thal pit really good.
एंड साउथ इंडियन खाना किधर खाती हो आप जाके
I worked in the south for so many years. मैंने तो breakfast, lunch, dinner south का खोदा था.
हाँ
To be honest, ever since I have worked there and come back to Mumbai, मुझे मुंबई का साउथ इंडियन पसंद नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ अपने घर पे खाती हूँ.
I
Yeah,
had
it's
been.
correct. I mean, it's
आप लोकल ट्रेन लियो
yes. Central line.
हमेशा टिकट
Baikala to CST and back,
वाह यार
and then walk.
छोटू सा
Mm.
बट हमेशा टिकटेड ट्रैवल नॉन टिकटेड
Yeah, yeah. Used to have monthly pass.
मंथली पास विद स्टूडेंट
Monthly
डिस्काउंट
pass.
बेस्ट लाइफ एवर
Best.
आप क्यों है सब
क्या?
मंथली पास लोकल ट्रेन
यार मैंने ना बहुत छोटी उम्र में काम करना शुरू कर दिया था तो I was
हाँ.
always driven because I was always going to some place to work and to be honest I have traveled in a local train
Yeah.
when I was younger and I feel like Mumbai in general I think it's very safe primarily because it's extremely densely populated
वो
and
बहुत
it
सही बोली
works all the time. I
Yeah.
have seen at 3 a.m. I have been stuck in traffic and I'm like, why am I stuck in traffic at 3 a.m.? But I feel like this makes the city very safe.
कौन थे ये लोग जो 3 बजे
I
ट्रैफिक
don't
लगा
know.
रहे थे?
I don't know. And I was shocked because I was like, even this is मतलब ये भी देख लिया तो मतलब इससे ज्यादा कुछ
अब
हो नहीं
अब क्या ही
सकता.
देखना बाकी है?
अभी कुछ देख नहीं सकते.
मेरे को लेकिन आपके एरियाज कौन से होते थे? आप कहाँ वाली थी?
I've lived most of my life in Lokhandwala. But like right now I live in Juhu Versova. And I love Juhu because I schooled in Juhu. I schooled in Manekji.
अरे वाह वाह वाह.
So because Manekji has been my school, so most of my growing up years I was a lot in Juhu Bandra.
हाँ.
Bandra for like friends, बहुत friends Bandra में रहते थे तो I would end up being at Bandra. Town कम जाना होता था क्योंकि कुछ हो, if anything is happening then I would end up at town. And अभी कुछ दोस्त है वहाँ पर तो then I end up going to town. Otherwise no other reason.
She
मस्त
doesn't
है.
come for me, huh?
We haven't yet met in town together,
Yeah.
but we should.
Dost and all she's saying, but she's not coming.
Yeah.
But Kajal also lives in town only, no?
Only, no?
हाँ. But you've been to Kajal's place?
ये देखो ये टाउनी लोग, ये असली टाउनी लोग वर्ली को टाउन नहीं मानते.
ए
माइम
रमेश,
को माटूंगा को टाउन. हाँ वर्ली टाउन ने वर्ली बोली ना. मेरे को दिखा.
Wow. This is a subtle integration of
Of townie.
of townie sentiment.
Have you not seen that cat?
No.
There's a meme for them.
Oh,
These
for them.
townie
them?
people. Yeah, you are townie people. हम suburbians हैं, Makabo people,
Yeah.
Malad Kandivali Borivali.
Yeah. But I think a lot of tuitions used to happen in Malad, so we've been there.
Oh, you would come to Malad for tuition?
Yeah,
What?
some teachers were there, so we
That's
would
damn
have-
hectic.
See.
I can't imagine going to Malad for tuitions. But
For me, the matcha is like it's a life-changing moment that's happening to me in this car.
बहुत
Because
सुंदर.
I never knew that I'm gonna like matcha, and I would laugh at people who like matcha. But I'm probably now one of them who likes matcha too.
मस्त बात है ना. But मुंबई बारिश आप लोगों के experiences?
I love Mumbai rain. Sorry, I'm having
I
a
love
Go for
Mumbai.
it, yeah.
I love
Go for it.
Mumbai
Go for it.
Barish.
Go for it.
I love Barish in general. I love it. It makes me feel so calm and peaceful. And of course, it's really nice to sit at home and watch
मैं
the
वही
Barish.
बोलने
It's
आया था.
not so great to be in it.
I love getting wet in the rain actually.
No,
मैं
wow.
बचपन में बहुत करती थी. अब कोई करता नहीं है तो साथ में तो it's very boring. But I love going for a walk in the rain in Mumbai. It's my favorite thing to do.
मेरे को सुनने में आपने तो गाड़ी निकालना भी पसंद है आपको, बारिश रोड ट्रिप भी पसंद है आपको.
हाँ, I love the rain in general. मुझे मुंबई की बारिश बहुत
Even I
पसंद
love the rain.
है. I love going for a run in the rain. So जब lockdown हुआ था ना,
हाँ
तो that time I had gone running in the rain.
यार the new running space in Mumbai all have explored about. Coastal Road के ऊपर वो try करो ना.
It's newly
वो
opened, no?
superb यार.
Yeah, I haven't seen it yet.
There is one place in Bandra where I used to go to run, but that was like a track.
Oh, wow.
But I think this will be interesting. I would love to go
It's
to.
beautiful. देखिए अगर आप लोगों को भी कोस्टल रोड पे जाना पसंद है या कोई भी खुली रोड पे अपनी गाड़ी की परफॉर्मेंस को फुली यूटिलाइज करना पसंद है तो हमारी तरह कैस्ट्रॉल एज एसयूवी यूज कीजिए, जो कि एक एडवांस्ड फुल सिंथेटिक इंजन ऑयल जो आपकी गाड़ी को देता है 80% इंप्रूव्ड हाई लोड परफॉर्मेंस. है ना सुंदर बात? मुझे ये बताओ कि कितना मिडिल क्लास अपने आप को होते हुए देखते हो जब कंजूसियत होती हुई दिखती है अपने अंदर की, या ऐसे वाला आइटम ही गया आपकी जिंदगी में से? लाइक
I think conjuicy is very. It has nothing to do with how much money you have.
Yeah.
है
या
ना?
तो आप बचपन से
Yeah.
या तो आप intrinsically कंजूस
I actually think the people that have the most money are most confused.
are very कंजूस. It's true. It's very.
बहुत सही बात बोली आपने.
I've seen so many people bargain for such strange
Small
stuff. And they're
things,
living in
yeah.
these big gigantic houses. I'm
And
like,
then they'll go business class.
yeah. So it's so like it doesn't make any sense.
बट एयरपोर्ट पे 380 का वड़ा पाव मैं नहीं खाएगा.
It's not, and I would not eat it because it doesn't taste good.
It doesn't
doesn't.
taste good. It's not fresh also.
It's not
That's my
fresh,
bigger
yeah.
issue with it. I can pay whatever it costs if the damn thing tastes good.
That's so true.
Yeah.
So I'm only against things that are like charging you like that and it still tastes bad. And I'm like,
Yeah.
Correct.
बट मुंबई का पब क्रॉल वगैरह किए हो आप लोग?
yeah, there's this one new place, na, something called 1431, ऐसा कुछ number जैसा. But Bandra में it becomes like this clubby thing at the end
Ooh.
night. Even GG
145.
145?
maybe.
Is that a cafe?
The
Isn't
bar,
that a
na?
cafe?
It's a bar.
Cafe bar. Isn't it 145?
So मेरे दोस्त
Kind of.
one particular evening we were all just like getting bored at someone's house because one of our friends didn't want to go out.
She's
And-
actually looking. You're,
Yeah,
you're
I'm
that
looking.
geek friend.
I am.
You are fully that person.
yeah,
Yes,
like
145 Bandra and 145 Andheri.
Yeah, so 145.
A Saturday night.
But you're not beer chugging people?
I used to drink a lot of beer in college.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Best shit ever. Oh, you went to
Pictures.
Sunlight?
Sunlight, then
Mondays.
Sundance. Do you remember Sundance Cafe?
Sundance?
Yes,
वो
Eros.
तो फेस्टिवल है.
No, there was a
Eros?
Sundance Cafe, yeah, at Eros.
Oh.
Then
time तक नहीं था
Leopold,
Leopold.
Mondegard. It was like picture after picture after picture.
Yeah. And then you had those snacks, that chili. Oof.
Yeah, and the chicken lollipops.
चिकन लॉलीपॉप तो आई थिंक मुंबई के अलावा कोई चिकन लॉलीपॉप नहीं कर पाता है वैसे वाले,
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah, really?
I've never
I
even
didn't know.
bothered trying it anywhere else. to be
या
honest.
या लाइक जैसे हैदराबाद के बाहर चिकन 65 नहीं खाने का,
नहीं खाने का, correct है.
चेन्नई में खा लो, उधर से आया बोल के,
Yeah.
बट हैदराबादी लोग ने अलग लेवल लेके गए वो लोग.
But I don't know, in Hyderabad, there is this hotel. Damn, I can't remember the name of that hotel.
किधर है?
It has chicken 65 biryani.
Biggane biryani in Bombay gives you a great chicken 65 biryani.
Which place?
This is not even sponsored, guys. Thank you for giving me that taste.
Which place?
Biggane.
Beginning.
Beginning.
Where
Biggane.
is that? Where is
Biggane
it?
biryani. Everywhere.
Oh.
मतलब ऑर्डर कर लो आप Zomato
Okay.
पे.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
But
think that's amazing.
Palle Vindu, I went to recently.
Okay.
It's village food.
Okay.
It literally translates to village food.
हाँ.
Uff. Please आप हैदराबाद जाओ तो खाना.
Hmm.
Superb stuff.
Mad.
Nice.
Hey, we got you to national suddenly.
Yay!
Is that your college?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
Oh.
is my college.
गलती से आए हम लोग ऐसे जानबूझ के
I
नहीं आए.
went there for one day.
Really?
Yeah.
You are a bunker?
No, उस दिन फ्लड हो गया था मुंबई में. उसके बाद मैं कभी कॉलेज नहीं गई.
वाह रे वाह क्या बढ़िया है ये दिमाग. मैं क्यों जाऊँ
I
कॉलेज.
was like, जब मैं कॉलेज जाती हूँ तो बुरी चीजें होती हैं. I didn't go to college.
But you didn't tell us beer places where you.
मैं नहीं पीती.
beer कभी नहीं पी आप जिंदगी में.
I've tasted, but I'm not a beer was never my drink. अभी तो खैर पीती नहीं हूँ तो.
अभी सिर्फ बनाती हो.
अभी
Since when have you
बनाती हूँ.
stopped drinking?
It's been over, I think, 1.5 years now.
बट आप ये सब की रहेंगी ना ये लिंकिंग रोड वाला शॉपिंग.
हाँ.
Yes.
Growing up,
Yeah,
always have done it.
अच्छा आप फैशन
Fashion Street. I was going to say Fashion Street and Colaba Causeway.
कलाबा कर.
Yeah.
उधर के झुमके मतलब
Best.
बेस्ट है बेस्ट.
And
तुमको कैसे
jutis
पता है
and
झुमके?
भाई मैं वो दोस्त था ना जो लड़की लोग के साथ घूमता था इसलिए तो मेल फेमिनिस्ट बन रहा हूँ.
Kolhapuris also.
कोल्हापुरी तो बेटर यू
Kolhapuris
गेट ओवर हियर.
better?
बेटर लोखंड वाला में यू गेट बेस्ट कोल्हापुरी.
It's so funny that I don't know if you know. So I'm working with some teams that are UK based, and they had recently come down to India. And the one thing that they really wanted was, the Kolhapuris, because Prada has come up with
Yeah.
that
They have dhapod
that
it.
dhapod, yeah. So they were like, can we please have that? And फिर उसको सब colors में लेके तो she was so happy. She was like, this is what I wanted. And then it's so cute. Like I think
To take
we've
Viran
had-
shopping.
Yeah, because and I feel like for us fashion has been very intrinsic, and
Yeah.
it's just that unfortunately we seek that international validation
Yeah.
for some odd reason.
But how crazy is it? Like you get Kolhapuris here for $300,
Yeah.
and then Prada's charging people
मतलब
1.5
IGI
lakhs.
मार्क वाला ले लो.
Is it what, some 1.5 lakhs or some crazy
कुछ
thing
भी
like
चल रहा है
that?
यार ऐसे नहीं करने का. I'm not
Yeah.
against fashion.
No,
I'm
no,
just
but
like-
I definitely think the way it's packaged is a little unfair.
रुद्र से थोड़ा.
No, it's sad.
ये बताओ कहाँ दिखने वाले हो आप लोग. हमारे पास 2 ही मिनट बच रहे हैं तो
हाँ?
कहाँ दिखने वाली हो. क्या आने वाला है.
मेरा
हाँ जी.
मेरा अभी of course there's Do You Want a Partner. I am working on a film right now called IPS Maria, which is with Rohit sir and John. Then
Is
there's
it about
Rangers.
Mr. Maria?
Yes, it's about Rakesh Maria, the super cop that Mumbai is very proud of. And I'm doing a film called Rangers,
Oof.
which is with Ajay,
Oof.
and Jagan Shakti is directing it. Love Ranjan is producing it.
Oof.
And I'm doing a film called One with Siddharth Malhotra, Balaji,
Oof.
and the TVF brothers. It's their directorial debut for the big screen. They've of course made the very famous Panchayat.
Oof, you're doing a TV project.
So it's
Congratulations.
their directorial debut.
Yes.
And so yeah, we're very excited about that.
And there's some 1 or 2 projects that you're not telling us about because you can't say.
No, and I'm doing a Tamil film called actually it's not titled yet. So it
So
will-
5 projects.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah.
मुबारक को
Wow.
लड़की स्टेलर hit
Amazing.
it out of the park. आप क्या कह.
I don't have a list as long as
नहीं कोई
that.
comparison
but
नहीं. Journey है.
no, but for now, honestly, I'm focusing on Do You Want a Partner because for me it's one of my most special things this year.
Yay.
And my first OTT web series.
Congratulations. Yay.
But I
I'm
keep
really
telling
excited.
Diana that honestly, I know for a fact, and I'm saying this more as an audience and less as a colleague, but after people will see Do You Want a Partner, they will be like, how have we missed this amazing talent? And I think she's going to be showered with opportunities because she's genuinely such a good actor.
Wow.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Amazon Prime Video पे जाके देखिए आप लोग.
Yeah.
हमारा
Yes,
भाई
12th
नकुल
of
मेहता को भी देखिए.
September. Do you want to
Nakul
बढ़िया
come?
बढ़िया आर्टिस्ट है. और जावेद जाफरी जी हैं उसमें. मेरे को तो फन लगा एकदम ट्रेलर देख के.
Yeah.
बहुत मजा आया. ओके दैट्स आवर वार्निंग. लेवल 2 ADAS पे हमारी गाड़ी अपने आप रोक देती है. एक सेकंड. ड्राइविंग डाउन मेमोरी लेन सेगमेंट है, उसमें घुसते हैं अभी. लास्ट टाइम यू ऑल गूगल्ड योरसेल्फ रैपिड फायर.
2 घंटे पहले.
I think yesterday.
Yesterday, superb. When was the last time you were starstruck? Like you were starstruck?
I was starstruck. No.
When I saw Hrithik Roshan.
Oof, what did he say to him?
I said, I didn't say. He only. I was looking so strangely that he's like, "Do you want a picture?"
Last time I was
It
starstruck
was so
was
bad. I was so stupid. I was like, "How can you be so stupid?"
Yeah, no, fair. One of your own movies or songs or scenes that you end up watching randomly just for fun.
So fun. A lot of I have so many South Indian songs I love. In fact, whenever my friends want to make fun of me, they play all my old songs.
Really?
And
Which one will they play?
They play Rangi Rangama and all with Dhanush,
Ooh.
which was very funny. And I think even Dhanush and I, when we met recently, we laughed about it. I think good old days of doing Kuttu. Yeah.
Works.
I think Tumyo Bandhus had one song that has followed me everywhere I've gone.
Yeah, but it's
for
a
the
party
last
song.
13 years.
Barat song. It's
Everywhere,
in all
everywhere, yeah.
all the way song. Thank you so much for being
Thank
on the
you,
Bombay
thank
journey,
you.
guys. Second. Sign a pillow.
Sign a pillow?
हाँ, एक सेकंड we are getting a sign and we are getting off. Okay, जितने लोग देख रहे हैं, आप लोग अपनी अपनी परफॉर्मेंस टिप्स दो हमें कमेंट्स में और आपको ये साइन पिलो मिलेगा. ये लीजिए,
हाँ जी.
साइन कीजिए.